Alright, we're going to show you our 15 or 16 week old purebred German Shepherd. We're going to show you guys what she can do. Some tricks. Ray, you want to treat? Come on. Sit. Down. 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 Good girl. She's still learning down, but she's doing good. I'm going to switch hands real quick. Stay. Stay. Good girl. Stay. Stay. Come. Good girl. You want to cheat? Here you go. Good girl.
Alright, now give me. My turn.
Alright, now my brother's going to
Wait,
try.
let her chew. Let her chew. Ready? Ready? You want another one? Come on. Come on. Sit. Ready? Sit.
Get her on the starting pad. Show her the treat.
Sit. Now she knows how to treat. Stay. 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 Come. Good girl. Yes, you did it. Yeah. Good girl. Yes.
Alright, we're going to teach her some more tricks. My mom has a YouTube account. If you want to watch her vids, I'll just put her username in the description. We're going to try to do a contest. First one with 50 videos wins. Good girl. Good girl. Ray, sit. Ray, you want to cheat? Sit.
Show it to her.
Ray, you want to cheat? Sit.
Sit.
Sit. You're just treated out. Come on. Come. Sit. Sit.
I'm distracted.
Good girl. Down. Good girl. Alright, thanks guys. You can subscribe if you want. And remember to check out my mom's videos.
Andrea Barker 77. Capital A.
I'll just put it in the description. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.